Hey there everyone, in this video I wanted to show you how I use Node-RED to control my water pump. I've got it set up on a Raspberry Pi server, and it's all about keeping an eye on my water barrel. When it is empty, the system kicks in and operates a relay to turn the pump on and off when it is full. You can find the Flow's GitHub link in the video description below. Let's check out how it's done. Take a look at this Node-RED Flow that controls my water pump. Initially, I thought about making it work without the Home Assistant. I wanted to connect everything through MQTT, but I found an easier solution using Node-RED's Home Assistant node library. See all those blue nodes here. For this to work, both Node-RED and Home Assistant need to be running together. Home Assistant keeps track of all the events, while Node-RED takes care of the automation part and calls Home Assistant services to do the work. These two nodes catch signals from the float sensors in the water barrel. When it's either empty or full, it will trigger services to turn the pump on or off. See these nodes with the N? They send notifications to my phone when water in the barrel runs low or when the pump is turned on. To make sure the pump is not turned on by a false barrel empty event, this node will pass the event through only when the other sensor confirms the barrel isn't full. Lastly, this part ensures that the pump switches off after 5 minutes, just in case the barrel is full event gets lost. It's a backup safety feature next to the same one built in the pump's relay. Better safe than sorry, right? Thanks for watching, take care and see you soon.